Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am AV Obsessed, and if you're watching this video, that means that you probably are too. We are at day 2 of the show, and I'm actually here with Lucca Chesky, who actually designed some pretty incredible, affordable speakers. Basically everybody else in Gen Z wants to just be a content creator. This guy is out here doing like the hard work of building physical products and selling it to the public. So I'm gonna let him take off and tell you guys all about his speakers here.
Well, thank you for stopping by.
For sure.
So this right here is the Chesky Audio LC1 bookshelf monitor. Now, the LC1 is a really special speaker because unlike most speakers that are out there, in fact, any commercial speaker available, this is the only one that's 3D printed. From the ground up, this cabinet is one solid piece, so structurally it's very inert. On top of that, it's a nice small form factor speaker, so it can fit in a bunch of places. They're also good for small desktop setups. We were just at the Munich high-end show, and we had a killer little desktop setup. And so yeah, it goes to show you can have them on stands, wide, narrow, close to the wall, far from the wall, whatever works best for you. The LC1s will make it possible. The LC1s are extremely unique because while at a $1,000 price point, they're still going to carry over the same characteristics of a speaker 10 times its price. Because we sell direct, we don't have a very big margin on the LC1, so the internal components are of the same quality of something that is 5-10 times its price. For example, our internal wiring is all Kimber cable, is all high-end internal wiring. On top of that, I tell everybody that listens to the LC1, this is not your typical speaker. This is something that is voiced to be as natural as possible. It's not textbook flat, and it's designed that way. When I was designing it, I wanted something that would be, when you play the music and you close your eyes, you're transported into the recording, or the place where that recording is being made, and you truly hear what the recording engineer intended. So it's an extremely natural speaker, and it's very transparent. Whatever you put in is what you're going to get out. So yeah, we have 2 dual firing, or not dual firing, but on the sides, passive radiators. That's our form of bass extension. And I put them on the sides, that way not only do we get a nice, crisp, deep bass, but we also get a much wider, much larger soundstage, much bigger than you could imagine a speaker like this to produce. We also use a full first order crossover, so we have a very relatively clean signal path. So yeah.
Fewer components that way.
Absolutely.
In the crossover.
Yeah.
What's the woofer on the front of it?
So we have a 6.5-inch polypropylene mid-bass cone, and then we have a silk 1 1/8 soft dome tweeter. Everything here at Chesky Audio is built by hand, and yeah, that kind of sums it up for the speaker.
Really good. Like really detailed for a silk dome too. Like lots of nice crisp upper level detail, and then really good punchy bass. Sounds like they're punching pretty clean down into like the 40s, which is impressive for the size.
Well, funny enough, we're flat to 70, and then we're at 10 at 50, but that's our anechoic response, so that's without any room colorization. Yeah,
with the room gain, it's probably getting down into the upper 40s for sure.
Yeah. These really pack a punch.
For sure. Cool.
So, yeah.
And they're only $1,000 for a pair, basically $996 for a pair. So.
Yeah, the whole goal with it was, as a 17-year-old myself, I wanted to create something that would be within reach for, the average audiophile consumer. As you walk these shows, you're going to hear some really fantastic sound, but, at quite a pretty high price. I know most kids my age don't have 5, 10. I've seen $500,000 systems. Yep. So we don't have that kind of money to spend, and I don't think that should be the factor that keeps you away from top-notch audio. So these are $498 each, $996 for the pair. Everything's available at www.cheskyaudio.com. We sell direct to consumer, and yeah.
Awesome. We will put a link in the description to your guys' site so people can find you.
Amazing.
Super, super important work he's doing, because we need the younger generation of audiophiles to get into this. Like, I hear so many people in the younger generation just being like, I'm fine with my AirPods. Why do you need speakers? Like, this is so much better than AirPods. Thanks you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Awesome.